habits that you need to break yourself of if you want to speculate. Let's get right back to ineffective speculators. Another thing they do, they buy cheap stuff. I'm back, and I got 5 more bad habits that you need to break yourself of if you want to speculate like a pro. Let's get right back to ineffective speculators. Another thing they do, they buy cheap stocks because they assume everything.
Natural gas, those are not specific, right? You're not to say those are natural resources. So with everybody, and you now have the bank
between
England, America, Chinese, apparently loosening up. Everybody is now loosening the money supply, printing money.
Hi, I'm Max Kaiser. This is the Kaiser Report.
Jim and Andrew.
We also had low
discount
interest rate where banks borrow from the federal government. There's a lot more support for that in
The shortages of nearly all commodities developing and I'm going to make money in the commodities. If the economy does get better, it's going to print a lot more money. Place to be, and we all have
I was just saying, I told you, this has been happening for weeks. All we do is search stuff online. And we use several different search engines, but start pages stuff just proxies. And if someone in the world is watching us, we all say technicians watching us, learning that they're being listened, fixing our searches, documents saying they're killing us. Of course they can't have me on air dominant. And I'm dominating all of the web now. We're being censored everywhere.
Everything in the world
I have confirmed, and people are
maybe the US dollar will go up initially, but probably everything would be hit in the shock that made it worse. So I own gold. I'm not selling my gold.
The crash of Lehman Brothers. It was a discussion on my side of former chancellor.
And what the Fed is doing is simply guaranteeing that that
most people don't understand
the 0% interest rates prevent.
And perhaps you know Venus Project, you know the Revolt Charter organization, you know perhaps the books and the stories of Gene Roddenberry, Star Trek, where we live in the world about money. I can tell you it is possible. But the problem we are facing is how can we get there? And all that we have to know is it happens in our minds. We have to push the right switches and then we will find the path.
Okay, traders, hello to another FM Signals info show. My name is still Damian from good old Germany, and you're welcome to another 48 hours technical analysis and synthesis. Today with the New Zealand dollar Chinese MINBI yuan. So analyze the stuff again, it's still yours. We've got Monday, Easter Monday, by the way. Happy Easter Monday to all Christians. So it's the 9th April 2012. It's 1817 Central European Time, or 1717 New York, of course, in London, of course, or for example 1217 in New York. By the way, it's Tuesday in New Zealand, 2:17, and 0:17 in Shanghai. Okay, midnight. So here we've got the chart, and before started, let's get an overview about the data this week and the reason why I'm choosing the New Zealand dollar MINBI yuan, because we will get we've got data tonight. Consumer price is 3.60, rise a little bit higher than accepted, 3.403 on the monthly basis, and we will get tomorrow or today's Shanghai time a trade balance, import exports, important data, and on Friday industrial productions and will GDP. So it will retails, of course, also, by the way, and hard facts this week from China. So we will see and perhaps get an indication where will the world economy go. Okay, but let's come back, or let's come to the technical analysis and the trading capability. And the reason why I'm choosing the New Zealand dollar Chinese yuan is here this fact. we see here this outbreak. By the way, let me explain here these two lines. The first line in deep blue is the longer one, is started on the last trading day in February. Here the yearly highs, and we see here we've got here the mid highs, if you want, on 19 March, if you want, here. So, and here we are trading something a little bit, or we broke this. By the way, here the second high on the end of March, and so we are right here right now. So, very interesting point. And we've got a breakout. So, by the way, and tomorrow or this morning or this day, in my German edition, I uploaded an Australian dollar Chinese renminbi short. So I would still prefer the short side, slightly short side in Australian dollar Chinese renminbi yuan, by the way. And to compare to this, or to put this in a context, by the way, I would buy I would buy New Zealand dollar Chinese renminbi yuan. So we've got an hedge, if you want. If you use both trading capabilities, we've got an hedge in the Chinese yuan renminbi. However, unless the stuff is yours, you don't need to trade both. Trade like you want. But I want to know, to put this in a context, yes. Okay, and technically, this cross rate looks very good, in my opinion. Okay, in the last, perhaps I should, after map you always know more than before, of course, it's live, but here we've got the outbreak here at this side. So very interesting fact. And by the way, we've got here also the 50 round about the 50 yearly high low. We've got here this turnaround, perhaps here, and now we are trading about the 61.0 Fibo line. So by the way, I would prefer the long side in this trade. Buy here perhaps a little bit lower, 5.2. Take the stop here, 5.155. So perhaps here, if we are falling here back in this trading area, so here I would how to say, take the stop. It's round about here, even this downside trend here from 19 March and 26 March, so the weeks before. So here, and we've got here this fails breakout, and here perhaps this too. So the speculation is perhaps that we've got here something like a turnaround. So in the New Zealand dollar Chinese renminbi yuan. So analyze every cross rate by cross rate. So I'm not very bullish in every yuan and not bearish, of course, also. So by the way, here in this case I would prefer the New Zealand dollar against the yuan, and by the way, Australian dollar I would sell against the yuan. And in these times I would still analyze every cross rate by cross rate. Okay guys, perhaps once again I would prefer the long side, roundabout here under 5.2. Take the stop here by 5.155, or lately here 5.145 here. So if we fall back in this trading area here falling back, I would take the stop, and should we also go higher above 52, I would be in this cross rate. So I would prefer the long side. By the way, not only the next 48 hours, perhaps we will get yes, or I would get this position even in the next 48 hours. So by the way, we will get on Friday heavy data. So And yes, we will see what will happen. So okay, so, and I would under 5.2 prefer the buy side, even if the cross rate breaks out, then we are in, and then yeah, we are also long. So, and don't forget to stop here. Perhaps this is also a fails breakout, so take the stop under the second downside trend, even in the 2 weeks before. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video, spending your time. My name is still Megan from good old Germany. It's Monday, 9th April 2012, 18:22 Central European Time. Talking to you tomorrow while Wall Street session, so be prepared. Today is not a high volatile day, Eastern Monday. However, tomorrow it will be much more exciting. So talking to you tomorrow while Wall Street. Good morning, good day and good night, wherever and whenever you're watching my video. So I'm over and out. Peace.